From toothpicks to baking soda, various methods are employed to support oral health. But which ones really work? And no, I'm not going to talk about brushing, flossing, all that stuff in this video. I've selected natural, tried and tested methods for you, from sesame seeds to aloe vera. Watch until the end to find out which one works best for you. And remember to keep brushing your teeth. 8 natural ways to remove plaque and tartar buildup to keep your smile healthy and bright. First, coconut oil for oil pulling. This ancient Ayurvedic technique involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes daily, preferably in the morning before eating or drinking anything. The swishing action helps pull bacteria and debris from the oral cavity. Coconut oil is particularly effective due to its antimicrobial properties, primarily attributed to lauric acid, known for its ability to destroy harmful bacteria and fungi in the mouth. This method can significantly reduce plaque, whiten teeth, and improve gum health. After swishing, it is essential to spit the oil into the trash to avoid plumbing damage. Then rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Second, apple cider vinegar. Using apple cider vinegar as a natural mouthwash has proven beneficial due to its ability to help dissolve tartar and whiten teeth. To use, dilute 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water and gargle for about a minute. The vinegar contains acetic acid, which helps break down plaque and fight bacteria. However, due to its acidity, it should be used no more than 2 to 3 times a week to prevent enamel erosion. Always rinse your mouth with water afterward to remove any acidic residue. Third, vitamin C-rich fruits. Fruits like strawberries, oranges, and kiwis are high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps strengthen collagen in the gums, reducing the risk of periodontal and gum diseases. Vitamin C also creates a hostile environment for bacteria growth and plaque formation. Strawberries, specifically, contain malic acid, which can help remove surface stains on teeth. To reap these benefits, it is recommended to consume these fruits regularly or apply a crushed strawberry paste directly to the teeth, letting it sit for a few minutes before rinsing to naturally clean plaque and remove stains. Fourth, baking soda. Baking soda is widely recognized for its cleaning and whitening properties, making it an excellent agent for naturally removing plaque. To use, make a paste by mixing a small amount of baking soda with water until it forms a pasty consistency. This paste can be applied to the teeth with a toothbrush or finger, gently rubbing in circular motions over the teeth and gums. Baking soda helps neutralize acids produced by plaque bacteria, harmful to enamel and gums. Moreover, its mild abrasive nature helps remove surface stains, contributing to a whiter smile. However, its use should be limited to twice a week to avoid excessive enamel wear. Fifth, green tea. Regularly consuming green tea can be highly beneficial for oral health due to its rich antioxidant and antibacterial properties. The polyphenols found in green tea, especially catechins, have the ability to reduce inflammation and combat bacteria that cause plaque and tartar formation. Studies suggest that green tea can also reduce bad breath and protect against oral cancer. For best results, it is recommended to drink 1 to 3 cups of green tea per day without added sugar to maximize its oral health benefits. Besides drinking, cold green tea can be used as a natural mouthwash, swishing it in the mouth for a minute before spitting. Liked our video so far? Don't forget to leave a like to receive more videos like this, because from now on the list will only get better, and I'll give you a gift at the end of the video. Sixth, sesame seeds. Chewing raw sesame seeds is an effective way to naturally clean teeth and remove plaque. The seeds act as an exfoliant, helping to scrape plaque from the teeth as you chew. Additionally, sesame seeds are an excellent source of calcium, which is vital for maintaining the health of teeth and bones. After chewing a tablespoon of sesame seeds, one can use a dry toothbrush to remove any remaining seeds between the teeth, providing additional cleaning. This method not only aids in oral hygiene, but also strengthens teeth due to its high mineral content. Seventh, aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is highly recognized for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and healing properties, making it an excellent natural treatment for oral health. When applied directly to the mouth, aloe vera gel can combat bacteria that cause plaque and tartar, as well as treat gum inflammation. To use it, extract fresh gel from an aloe vera leaf and apply it with a cotton swab directly to the gums and teeth, letting it act for a few minutes before rinsing with water. Alternatively, the aloe vera gel can be mixed with water to create a natural mouthwash that can be used daily. This practice not only helps reduce plaque, but also promotes wound healing in the mouth and keeps the gums healthy, preventing gum recession and other periodontal issues. Eighth, herbal teas. In addition to green tea, other herbal teas like clove, chamomile, and mint have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can be beneficial for oral health. Clove tea, in particular, contains eugenol, a natural compound with analgesic and antiseptic action, ideal for treating toothaches and gum infections. Drinking these teas regularly or using them as mouthwashes can help reduce plaque buildup and improve oral hygiene. To make a mouthwash, prepare a strong tea with these herbs, let it cool, and use it to gargle 2 to 3 times a day. This not only helps keep the mouth clean, but also offers natural relief for inflammations and pain in the mouth, providing fresher breath. As you can see, there are several natural and powerful methods to significantly contribute to your oral health. And let me tell you more. All of them have been reviewed and approved by experts. Choose the one that's easiest for you and feel free to use it. Before the video ends, I have a gift for you for sticking with me until the end, liking our videos. In the description and the first pinned comment, I left a link to the presentation of Blue Tonic, a natural recipe you can learn to make at home for weight loss. It's so powerful because unlike other methods, it works while you're sleeping. Give it a try and then tell me what you think here. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you liked the video, please consider leaving a like and comment below if any of these methods were new to you.